Hi guys, today the 4th of October and I am MaxiBull.
And I am AndyBear with Extra Bear. And I would like to tell you what's going on in the market. The previous video forecast materialized and we had retracement. I would like to show you SP 500 forecast with me and my Extra Bear. So what we're going to see here, this is a support line and now it's a resistance line. It was a movement down after we tested the resistance line, the top, and they had one leg down. And now my forecast will get the same story here. So we broke another support line. Now it becomes a resistance line. And I expect a leg down because nothing can be positive and bullish present time. So that's if we're measuring exactly the same length of this leg, it will come to level 4,170. So there's also why it could be could go down, because if you look at the level of positions, so if you look at the SP 500 in our program called the tradingview.com website, so this is the first retracement happened, and now we're expecting that the retracement down to a level 4,170 something on this level. And as you can see, there is a high volume already. It's been in on Friday session. And if you look at the CFTC SP 500 non-commercial positions increased, long position. So when the price will break the bottom, lots of positions will be closed by the market price, and it will push the price very, very sharply down. So this can be here or can be even deeper, even 4,000. So the 4,000 actually it's really, really heavy level, and it's definitely will stop the price, and definitely it will be very, very strong bounce of the price up. So, but right now I can't see this. We have a really positive signals for the continuation of the bullish trend at all. So this is a bearish news from me in my bear. And
okay, ladies and gentlemen, and now MaxiBull will take the place and show you some bullish news. Today we will speak about electro vehicles. Okay, so here's Workers Group, and it produces electromobiles. Electromobiles is a serious competitor of Tesla. However, these positions are not doing good recent days. It was on peak in February this year, and now it's going deeper and deeper down. However, that's a strong level here. A strong level at 738. And what could happen here? Because the price seems to be oversold, the levels, when it tries to break, you see the volume. I will make a bit closer here. Oh, sorry. You see the volume raise peak here, and at the point when it tried to break this also high volume. So I think the picture is not too clear for now. So if the price breaks this level and close below that, that will mean that more likely to continue its bearish movement. However, if it bounces again from this level and goes up, the next level is 1923, which is more than double the price. So as for me, I will expect bullish behavior right now, but I will wait for confirmation, for price retracement confirmation. The second one is KHDI. That's also electromobile stuff, and it also a serious competitor of Tesla. All these electromobiles depends on the copper, and we expect the copper mine, as I told you before in my recent recordings, it depends on how the Native Americans will agree or negotiate with the Rio Tinto. If they negotiate in a good manner, so Rio Tinto will be allowed to dig in the area where the Apaches reside, so it might go up, and it's more likely scenario. So I see the same situation here. We have a support level. We have two resistance levels on 668 and 995. So the target one is 668, and however, if they don't break through, so the copper won't be supplied, the price may go even lower. And I would put stop loss somewhere about 379. That's a very short stop loss, which allows me to save more money if something get not in my favor. Okay, back to you, Andy.
My view, I could agree with your picture, but it's all about consumer confidence. And the consumer confidence actually falling already 2 months in a row because nobody injecting money. If it's nobody injecting money, how you can buy all this stuff, especially expensive? And previously, American banks injected directly to checks to the customers, American customers, about 800 billion. It was a huge program investing the money into the economy. But now as money run out, it's always nobody really issuing it, sending checks to the customers, and also people who really stocked with already purchased all the cars. We can't really make get more cars. The problem also, the price is going high and higher, like over the roof, and the price of the cars, electric vehicles, will be a lot higher than expected right now by the market. So when the price will be higher, consumer confidence lower, who will buy it?
Absolutely, absolutely. So the future will show us, the nearest future will show us where the price will go. And so I believe mostly in commodities, and they will eventually agree. And Andy is more thinks about some fundamental stuff like money flow within the government.
But I can give you present. So the present for the MaxiBull is gold. So you can see the graph of the gold. It's 12 hours time frame, and we have very clear the support line, and we have a resistance line, and it's kind of a triangle. So eventually, because it was it was a bullish flag, the price rocketed to the $2,057, and now it's kind of a correction consolidation phase. And sooner or later, it's very, very happen soon in October, 100%. It will be another up to maybe at least 2,500. So my present to MaxiBull, it's gold. Watch the gold, and you'll be rich.
Thank you, Andy. The idea of gold, which is raising, is that gold is a asset which is constant all the time. So it seems to be not dependent on the market fluctuations. I mean, productions or some revolutions, it grows a bit, and some investors buy gold when it's some uncertainty on the share market. So the price gold grows in price when there's some crisis happen. People want to buy some liquid active, which they can liquid asset, which is non-dependent on the current situations, let's say coronavirus or some technology development. So that's why if the gold price expect to grow higher, that means all the market will collapse.
And it's exactly I expecting what's happened, because right now is a big battle between the Democrats and the Republicans. The Democrats kicked out the Republicans, and the Republicans want a revenge. So they trying to they destroy as much as possible Democrats and hold all the initiatives, all these programs. So this is also will make the market jittering and nervous, and as a result, the price of the gold will go higher. So this is it for today. As you already subscribed, just keep watching the new programs, the new videos. If you don't subscribe, just please subscribe easily. And so far so good. The information we providing, it's pretty relevant, like we read in future news today. All the best. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.